In this video, we'll demystify key signatures, those little symbols at the beginning of sheet music, and show you how to write them correctly. Whether you're a musician, composer, or just curious about music theory, understanding key signatures is essential. By the end of this lesson, you'll be equipped with the knowledge to decode the musical language hidden within these symbols. Let's dive in. Hey there! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a fundamental aspect of music theory that forms the very foundation of countless compositions: key signatures. Whether you're a budding composer, a seasoned musician, or simply curious about how musical pieces come together, understanding key signatures is an essential skill. In this video lesson, we'll break down the concept of key signatures, unravel the mystery behind those sharps and flats you see at the beginning of sheet music, and show you how to write key signatures like a pro. By the end of this lesson, you'll have the knowledge and confidence to unlock the secrets hidden within music's most vital element. So, whether you're here to refresh your memory or starting from scratch, stay tuned as we embark on this musical journey together. Let's get started. To write music that others can read easily, you need to learn the standard order, octave, and spacing for each key signature, as shown in this example. Memorize these signatures with each accidental in its correct order and octave placement. There is a few key concepts you must know. The key signature goes between the clef and meter signature, which is easy to remember if you just think alphabetical order: clef, key, meter. The order of the sharps is F, C, G, D, A, E, B. The order of the flats is the same, only backward: B, E, A, D, G, C, F. The sharps are positioned on the staff alternating down-up, while the flats alternate up-down. This pattern is occasionally broken to avoid writing an accidental on a ledger line. A helpful mnemonic or memory device for the first four flats is that they spell the word bead. And a handy sentence to remember the order of both sharps and flats is Father Charles goes down and ends battle. When you read it forward, the first letter of each word gives you the order of the sharps. When you read it backward, battle ends and down goes Charles's father, it gives you the order of the flats. As we wrap up this lesson, you've gained a valuable skill in deciphering and writing key signatures. These little symbols hold the keys to understanding the tonalities of music, opening up a world of musical possibilities. Keep practicing and exploring, and remember, the journey of mastering music theory is a beautiful one. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more insightful music theory lessons and tutorials. If you have any questions or topics you'd like us to cover in future videos, please leave them in the comments below. Thanks for joining us on this musical adventure, and until next time, keep making beautiful music.